Welcome to the Mobile App Developer Career Guide. In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of mobile application development, covering both iOS and Android platforms. Whether you're interested in building native apps or cross-platform solutions, this guide will help you understand what it takes to become a successful mobile app developer. When it comes to mobile development, there are two major platforms you should know about. First, we have iOS, which is Apple's ecosystem. iOS apps are built using Swift or Objective-C programming languages. Then there's Android, which is Google's platform. Android applications are primarily developed using Kotlin and Java. Both platforms have their own unique characteristics, tools, and user bases, so many developers choose to specialize in one or learn both. To become a mobile app developer, you'll need to master several key skills. First, programming knowledge is essential. You should learn languages like Swift, Kotlin, Java, or JavaScript depending on your chosen platform. Second, understanding UI and UX design is crucial because you need to create responsive layouts and user-friendly interfaces. Third, familiarity with development tools and software development kits is important. For iOS, you'll use Xcode, and for Android, you'll use Android Studio. You'll also need to know version control systems like Git to manage your code effectively. There are two main approaches to mobile app development. Native development means writing code specifically for each platform using platform-specific languages. Native apps offer the best performance, full access to platform features, and the best user experience. However, you need to write separate code for iOS and Android. Cross-platform development, on the other hand, allows you to write code once and deploy it to multiple platforms. Popular frameworks like React Native and Flutter make this possible. Cross-platform development is faster to develop and easier to maintain, but it might have slightly lower performance compared to native apps. Let's look at some popular frameworks and tools in mobile development. SwiftUI is Apple's modern framework for building iOS user interfaces. On the Android side, Jetpack is Google's toolkit that helps developers build better Android apps. For cross-platform development, React Native is a popular choice that uses JavaScript. Flutter is another powerful cross-platform framework that uses the Dart programming language. Each of these tools has its own advantages, and choosing the right one depends on your project requirements and career goals. Let's discuss two important pathways for mobile app developers. The learning path typically starts with mastering the fundamentals of programming and chosen platform. Next, you should build practical portfolio apps that showcase your skills. Contributing to open-source projects is also valuable as it helps you gain real-world experience and learn from other developers. As for career growth, most developers start as junior developers, working on smaller features and learning from senior team members. With experience, you can become a senior developer with greater responsibility. Eventually, you can advance to technical lead or architect positions where you design overall system architecture. There are several compelling reasons to pursue a career in mobile development. First, there's high demand in the job market. Mobile developers are highly sought after, which translates to lucrative salaries and abundant job opportunities across the globe. Second, mobile development is at the forefront of innovation. You'll be building cutting-edge applications that leverage the latest technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and augmented reality. Third, mobile apps have global impact. A successful app can reach millions of users worldwide, allowing you to create meaningful solutions that improve people's lives at scale. Before diving into mobile development, it's important to understand the challenges you might face. From a technical perspective, mobile development has a steep learning curve. There's platform fragmentation to deal with, meaning your app needs to work smoothly across different devices and screen sizes. Performance optimization is also crucial because mobile devices have limited resources compared to desktop computers. From a market perspective, technology changes rapidly, so you'll need to continuously learn new tools and techniques. The app market is highly competitive, making it challenging to get your app noticed. Additionally, maintaining user retention and keeping users engaged with your app is an ongoing challenge. To get started on your mobile development journey, there are excellent learning resources available. Official documentation from Apple and Google is comprehensive and regularly updated. Online learning platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Pluralsight offer structured courses on mobile development. These platforms provide video tutorials, projects, and certifications. Community resources are equally important. GitHub is where you can find open-source projects to learn from and contribute to. Stack Overflow is invaluable for getting answers to technical questions. Reddit communities dedicated to mobile development are also great places to network and share knowledge with other developers. Mobile app development is a dynamic and rewarding career path that offers exciting opportunities for creative and technically skilled developers. Whether you choose to develop native apps for iOS or Android or build cross-platform solutions, the skills you develop will be in high demand. The journey requires dedication, continuous learning, and practice, but the rewards are substantial. Start learning today by picking a platform, mastering the fundamentals, and building your first app. Remember, every successful developer started as a beginner. Build the apps of tomorrow and make your mark in the mobile development world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.